Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Sana and welcome to my channel. Welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to discuss about computer programming language. Here is the topic of computer programming language. Any of various languages for expressing a set of detailed instructions for a digital computer. Such instructions can be executed directly when they are in the computer manufacturer's specific numerical form known as machine language. After a simple substitution process when expressed in a corresponding assembly language or after translation from some higher level language, although there are many computer languages, relatively few are widely used. Machine and assembly languages are low level, requiring a programmer to manage explicitly all of a computer's idiosyncratic features of data storage and operation. In contrast, high-level languages shield a programmer from worrying about such considerations and provide an notation that is more easily written and read by programmers. Now we are going to discuss about the language types. The first one is machine and the second one is assembly language. Assembly is not a common assembly. It is a type of a language. A machine language consists of the numeric codes for the operations that a particular computer can execute directly. The codes are strings of zeros and ones or binary digits, which we call bits, which are frequently converted both from and to hexadecimal for human viewing and modification. Machine language instructions typically use some bits to represent operations such as addition and some to represent operands or perhaps the location of the next instruction. Machine language is difficult to read and write since it does not resemble conventional mathematical notation or human language, and its codes vary from computer to computer, which are in zeros and ones, which we call bytes or bits. Assembly language is one level above machine language. It uses short mnemonics codes for instructions and allows the programmer to introduce names for blocks of memory that holds data. One might thus write add, pay, total instead of here is a huge number of 0 and 1 for an instruction that adds two numbers. Assembly language is designed to be easily translated into machine language, although blocks of data may be referred to by name instead of their machine addresses. Assembly language does not provide more sophisticated means of organizing complex information like machine language. Assembly language requires detailed knowledge of internal computer architecture. It is useful when such details are important, as in programming a computer to interact with peripheral devices, just like printers, scanners, storage devices, and so forth. Now here is the topic of algorithm languages. Now we will discuss about it. Algorithm languages are designed to express mathematical or symbolic computation. They can express algebraic operations in notation similar to mathematics and allow the use of subprograms that package commonly used operations for reuse. They were the first high-level languages. Now, here are many kinds of sorry. Now, there are many types of algorithm. Now, there are many types of algorithm languages. At the first point, we have Fortran. The first important algorithm language was Fortran and formula translation. Okay, it's for representing formula and tran is representing translation. So, designed in 1957 by an IBM team led by John Backus, it was intended for scientific computation with real numbers and collections of them organized as one or multi-dimensional arrays. Its control structures include conditional if statements, repetitive loops, so-called do loops, and a go-to statement that allowed non-sequential execution of program code. Fortran made it convenient to have subprograms for common mathematical operations and built libraries of them. Fortran was also designed to translate into efficient machine language. It was immediately successful and continues to evolve. Now here is another type of algorithm language, which is ALGOL. We will discuss it. ALGOL algorithm language was designed by a committee of American and European computer scientists during 1958 to 60 for publishing algorithms as well as for doing computation. Like Lisp, ALGOL has recursive subprogram procedures that could invoke themselves to solve a problem by reducing it to a smaller problem of the same kind. ALGOL introduced block structure, in which a program is composed of blocks that might contain both data instructions and have the same structure as an entire program. Block structure became a powerful tool for building large programs out of small components.